Welcome to my channel Rasa Sayang, Taste of Love by Charlene. So today I want to introduce to you something that is so special that is actually prepared by Cookidoo for us. So now everyone knows that children are going on a summer holiday really soon, but a lot of us, because of pandemic, we couldn't really go anywhere. So fret not. Guess what? If you look into your Cookidoo, just turn on your machine. When you turn on your machine, normally you see this screen. But then, if you swipe to the right, you see this beautiful, colorful screen, and all you need to do is to see the updates that Cookidoo have done for you. So the first section will be the latest recipe that's been added into Cookidoo platform. And guess what? We have this that they prepare for called the Cookidoo Kids. Time to become a certified little chef. So can you imagine if you turn on, let me just show you the video really quickly. So that is the introductory video about Cookidoo Kids. So basically, after watching this video, you can actually go down here and find some of the inspirational. You can click in, I want to be a chef, and then you can plan with your children what you like to do or what they would like to achieve over the summer. Something that they like to cook, their favorite food. So all the recipe is in here. I want to be a chef, that's a description, videos, and you can also download a checklist. So basically, if you look at the recipe that has been prepared here, you could see that Cookidoo has actually been thinking for us mother how we could prepare the summer for our kids. And cooking is a life skill. That's something that every children should learn. So we have plenty of recipe in here. Do check it out. It's something new that's been added. So go into your Cookidoo or just turn on your machine. You'll be able to see what is been ready for summer for you and your children. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe and like.